If your WhatsApp photos and videos aren't saving to your iPhone gallery, I'll show you the two settings you need to fix this issue right now. First, open your WhatsApp application and tap on Settings at the bottom right. Then go to Storage and Data. Under Media Auto Download, you'll see options for photos, videos, and documents. Tap on Photos and select when you want WhatsApp to automatically download images, either on Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular. Choose what works best for your data plan. Now do the same for videos and documents if needed. Select your preferred download settings for each. But here's the important part. This second step is crucial for WhatsApp media to appear in your iPhone gallery. Go back to Settings, then tap on Chats. Look for the option Save to Photos and make sure it's toggled on. This ensures all WhatsApp photos and videos automatically save to your iPhone's Photos app. And that's it. Your WhatsApp media will now appear in your iPhone gallery automatically.